Sultan is on a hunt to catch this fly, and look what he's doing. Sultan, you catch your target now. Yeah, I'll move other things here. Go and catch him. The fly, baby. Sultan, come on. This is your chance. Come on. Come on. Yes. Here. Yes, 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 yes. Got it? Oh, you let him go. Oh my god. Why are you letting it go? Oh no. Sultan. Yes, yes. You got it. He's doing it for last 2 hours, and don't think he's gonna catch and eat it. He just puts his hand, soft paws, and then he leaves it to fly away. But he's pretty determined. He's gonna catch this fly. Not today, maybe.